Hey guys, it's Rachel, and today is a big day. Today is the day that I'm finally planting out the bulk of my summer garden, which means peppers and tomatoes. And I know that I've been talking about doing this for basically the entire time I've had this channel at this point. So this is a very big and exciting day for me. So originally I had planned to have this day be something of a party, sort of like a celebration of the garden with me and my friends. I have a lot of friends who are really interested in gardening but don't necessarily have the means to have their own garden, and I had been hoping to have them all over to each take a part in helping me put in my garden and be able to come back and watch it grow and then share in the fruits of that labor when the harvest comes, because I will have so many tomatoes and peppers to share this year, hopefully. But given the state of the world and social distancing, I won't be able to do that. And while I'm really disappointed, I am doing the next best thing, which is a couple of the people that I am basically quarantined with, the people that I see regularly no matter what in my daily life. They are going to come over and help me out with the garden. And before they get here, I need to go make sure that the garden is prepped. So I'll see you in a second. Alrighty, so I've got the plants all laid out. I'm getting them 24-inch diameter all around them, except at the edges where they'll be just a little bit closer because my bed isn't quite exactly square. And you can see I'm trying to interplant as much as possible via your suggestions. I think a few of the onions will have to come out, but barely any, and I'll move the ones that I can because that area over there is pretty bare actually. A lot more of these radishes are going to come out than what I've done so far. I just want to make sure that I end up being able to leave enough plants to go to seed and save those seeds. And also with the turnips, as I was going through and thinning, I noticed some of them actually are starting to bulb up. So I'm hopeful that I'll at least get a few turnips in the midst of all of this. So here's the final product. Peppers and tomatoes in between onions and turnips and radishes. Later on I'll come through and put a good layer of mulch on these, and then they'll be good to go. And that is all of the work for today. Thank you guys for hanging out with me on one of the biggest days in the garden. Until I see you next time for a full garden tour. I wish you happy gardening.